Welcome to the heart of Vermont, where the landscape rolls gently from pasture to forest, and the air is quiet, crisp, and clear. Here in Cabot, this classic 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom New England farmhouse sits on 2 serene acres, offering peace, privacy, and breathtaking views of the Green Mountains every season of the year. Originally built in the 1820s, this historic home has been lovingly expanded and updated, blending heritage with modern comfort. The open-concept kitchen flows into a sun-soaked living area, perfect for lively gatherings or quiet evenings by the fire. A spacious mudroom welcomes you in for Vermont's ever-changing seasons, and the attached 2-car garage makes daily life easy year-round. Whether you're growing your own vegetables, tending animals in the 2-stall barn, or exploring your private woods, this property supports your Vermont lifestyle. Outdoor adventures await in every direction. Lakes, rivers, and bike trails close by, and world-class ski resorts like Stowe or Jay Peak just over an hour away. Equestrians, gardeners, skiers, and dreamers, this is your Vermont escape. In just 35 minutes, you can be in Vermont's capital, Montpelier, or exploring the shops and cafes and art scene in St. Johnsbury. Come home to comfort, character, and country living in Cabot, Vermont.